To earn $2,000 per month through YouTube and blogging, focus on creating high-quality content that drives traffic, and use a combination of monetization methods like affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and selling your own products or services. In this video, we are going to talk about how I earn $2,000 per month via YouTube and blogging. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Finding profitable niche. The first step in my journey was figuring out what I wanted to talk about. I didn't just want to create random videos or blog posts that nobody cared about. So, I started by researching profitable niches where people actively search for information and are willing to spend money. After a few weeks of brainstorming, I landed on the personal finance and online income niche, teaching others how to make money online, manage their budgets, and improve financial habits. Why this niche? Because it had three important qualities: passion, profitability, and problem solving. I was passionate about financial freedom. I knew there were plenty of affiliate products and courses to promote, and I was solving a real problem that many people faced: the desire to earn more money and live a flexible lifestyle. If you're starting out, your niche doesn't have to be finance. It can be fitness, fashion, tech, travel, or anything that people consistently search for online. The key is choosing a topic you enjoy and can talk about for years without losing interest. Creating my YouTube channel and blog. After finalizing my niche, I decided to create both a YouTube channel and a blog simultaneously. I did this because I wanted to build multiple sources of traffic and income. YouTube is perfect for visual learners and quick growth through video recommendations, while blogging is excellent for long-term SEO and passive traffic from Google. For YouTube, I started with just my smartphone and basic editing software. I made simple tutorial-style videos where I explained online tools, reviewed side hustles, and shared my experiences. I didn't show my face at first because I was shy, but I made sure my content was clear, valuable, and engaging. Over time, I became more comfortable on camera and started adding personal stories, which helped my audience connect with me more deeply. On the blogging side, I used WordPress to create a website with a clean, minimalistic design. I wrote detailed guides related to my YouTube topics, like how to start a print-on-demand business or best affiliate programs for beginners. Each blog post had SEO-friendly titles, meta descriptions, and internal links to keep readers on my site longer. This way, my blog and YouTube channel worked hand in hand. I would promote my videos on my blog and link my articles in my YouTube descriptions to drive traffic both ways. Creating valuable and consistent content. Once both platforms were set up, my main focus was content creation. This is where most people give up, but it's also where real growth happens. I followed a simple rule: create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem. Every video or article needed to provide clear value. I started uploading 2 YouTube videos per week, 1 tutorial and 1 motivational or story-based video. I used catchy titles and thumbnails to improve click-through rates. My first few videos barely got 100 views, but I didn't stop. I analyzed which topics performed best and doubled down on them. For instance, when I noticed my affiliate marketing for beginners video got good engagement, I made follow-up videos explaining tools, strategies, and income reports. For my blog, I published 1 high-quality article per week. I learned search engine optimization, SEO, finding keywords with high search volume but low competition. Using tools like Google Keyword Planner and Ubersuggest, I discovered phrases people were searching for, like how to start freelancing from home or best side hustles in 2025. I structured my posts with headings, bullet points, and visuals, making them easy to read. Consistency was key. After 3 months, I noticed a gradual rise in traffic. By the 6th month, I was getting thousands of views monthly across both platforms. The effort was finally paying off. Monetizing my YouTube channel. Once my YouTube channel crossed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I applied for the YouTube Partner Program. That was my first major milestone. Getting monetized meant I could earn money from ads shown on my videos. At first, I only made $2 to $5 per day, but it felt amazing to get paid for something I loved doing. However, I didn't rely solely on ad revenue. I diversified my income through affiliate marketing. Whenever I recommended a product, software, or service in my videos, like a blogging tool or online course, I included my affiliate link in the description. If someone made a purchase through my link, I earned a commission. To keep it authentic, I only promoted products I personally used or truly believed in. This built trust with my audience, and over time, affiliate commissions became a big part of my income. By the 9th month, I was earning around $800 to $1,000 per month from YouTube alone, roughly half from ads and half from affiliate sales. Monetizing my blog. My blog took a bit longer to monetize because SEO traffic grows slowly. But once it did, it became an excellent source of passive income. I applied for Google AdSense first, then later switched to Ezoic, which pays higher ad rates. Additionally, I integrated the same affiliate programs I promoted on YouTube. I wrote review articles like best tools for YouTubers or top freelancing websites to find clients, including affiliate links naturally within the content. Some of my blog posts ranked on Google's first page, bringing in steady visitors every day, and that meant consistent affiliate commissions. I also offered digital products like ebooks and templates. For example, I created a YouTube channel starter kit with content planning sheets, thumbnail templates, and title ideas. Selling my own digital products gave me full control over pricing and profits. Building my brand and audience. Money was great, but what really mattered was building a loyal audience. I focused on creating a personal brand that people could trust. I responded to every comment, replied to emails, and engaged on social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Branding wasn't just about logos or colors. It was about consistency in tone and message. My followers knew me as someone who genuinely cared about helping others succeed online. I shared behind-the-scenes struggles, like when a video flopped or a blog post didn't rank. Being authentic built deeper trust, and that trust translated into sales and loyalty. I also started building an email list for my blog using a freebie, a downloadable 30-day online income challenge. This allowed me to connect directly with my audience, promote my latest content, and share exclusive tips. Over time, email marketing became another traffic source that didn't depend on algorithms. You can do it too. Earning $2,000 per month from YouTube, and blogging completely changed my life. It gave me the freedom to work from anywhere, spend more time with family, and pursue creative projects without financial stress. The best part? It's scalable. What's $2,000 today could easily become $5,000 or $10,000 in the future with continued growth. If you're thinking of starting your own journey, remember this: you don't need expensive equipment, viral content, or expert skills. You just need consistency, value, and time. Pick a niche you love, start creating helpful content, and focus on building trust. Whether you're sharing tutorials, writing reviews, or documenting your journey, every piece of content you publish brings you closer to your goals. So start today. Set up your YouTube channel, launch your blog, and commit to showing up every week. It might take months to see results, but once it starts working, it can completely transform your life, just like it did mine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.